This is North Texas Weather Center with your latest 3-minute forecast. Temperatures out there this morning. It's a bit mild out there. Temperatures right now sitting in the low to mid 50s across the Metroplex, 52 Dallas, 55 in Wichita Falls. And it will be a warm day today. Temperatures by lunchtime will warm up closer to the low 70s across the area. 71 Dallas, 70 in Paris. And eventually by 3 o'clock this afternoon, all of us should get into the mid 70s. Eventually we will see storms this afternoon, or later this afternoon to the evening hours. And I'll show you more on that here. So you can see the future radar, we will stay dry this morning. Eventually, we will see that chance for some showers and storms, maybe a couple isolated showers or downpours between about 2 to 5 o'clock back off to the west closer to Wichita Falls. But there will be a fairly strong cap in place over DFW, so the chance of storms here is less than areas to our east. So you can see about 8 o'clock, there will be storms starting to form just north of the Red River and maybe a couple downpours and showers near Sherman. Nothing that's that crazy intense, though. I can't rule out maybe a strong or a weak severe storm, meaning maybe damaging winds up to 60 miles per hour, but that would be my only concern for tomorrow. You can see by 10, 11 o'clock, those storms move off to the east. The HRR does show a line forming right behind that, closer to 1 in the morning, which is totally possible, but this would just be probably more of a weak line of storms, maybe some gusty winds up to 40 to 45 miles per hour, and then eventually that line moves to the southeast, and by Thanksgiving morning, it should be fairly dry across the 4-county Metroplex and anywhere back off to the west and north. So it will be an overall dry day as well. Here's the rain total, so nothing crazy to be concerned about. If you're closer to the southeast, maybe closer to Tyler, more notable measurements for rain totals expected, but closer to DFW, nothing too crazy. Temperatures for Thanksgiving morning, so if you have any plans, maybe a breakfast, something outdoors, temperatures will be chilly out there. Low to mid 40s for most of us, maybe even some upper 30s back off to the very far north, and off to the northwest, and then maybe some low 50s back off to the east where storms will still be ongoing. And then eventually you can see by the afternoon, it will be overall a bit of a chilly day, so you might still need a fleece jacket, low to mid 50s. If that's your type of weather for shorts and maybe a t-shirt, perfect weather for you, then that might be right for you, but obviously a fleece jacket might be needed for some of you, as temperatures will even be in the mid 40s closer to Paris. So 45 is pretty chilly, especially for a high temperature. Here's the temperatures going into Friday morning. So frost will very well be possible. Lows across the area, all of North Texas almost, will be included probably in some sort of frost advisory or warning, with that chance of temperatures being in the mid to upper 20s, lower 30s across the area. And you can also see the wind chills will be brutally cold, and I mean frigid. Some areas might be in the mid-teens back off to the west, closer to Wichita Falls even. And even in Denton County, I can't rule out some of us feeling more like the upper teens and lower 20s. So just keep that in mind as you walk out the door Friday morning. Here's your latest 7-day forecast, and you can see temperatures again are going to feel fairly nice today, but again, they're going to drop off tomorrow. Friday will be pretty similar, but the morning temperatures going to Saturday morning will be slightly warmer. And then eventually by Saturday and Sunday, temperatures in the 60s. Monday and Tuesday, we'll start to see storm chances potentially returning, with temperatures again closer to 70 again. Another cold front is expected to roll through Tuesday night into Wednesday. This forecast is brought to you by All Dense Repair.